Good morning, people. What's up, real ones? It's your boy back with another video. About to start off the day with nothing but productivity because that's all we know. Or productivity. I said it right. Productivity. This is how we gonna start off the day. First, as you can see, your boy is looking crazy. I just came out of a caveman movie, people. So let's start off the day with me getting all this. Oh, looking bad. Chopped up, straightened up. I'll be right back. And just like that, people, we are back. I'm headed back to my house right now because it's a surprise. You know, it's something that I asked you guys about before. But this time around, when I check it out, I want you guys to check it out with me. I told you I was going to be an unboxing, and it is. You know what I'm saying? You can get this on Amazon, tripod for small phones, and you know, therefore, and it comes with like this little remote thing, record and control everything that's happening. So you don't really need like a cameraman or nothing like that. You can do this all by yourself. And I wasn't playing, and it's here now. So just like I said, Selfie stick is basically holding the iPhone 10, and basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna get started, people. So first, one of the things that you're gonna need, and I know this for sure, is a memory card by SanDisk, you know, or maybe even a few memory cards just to make sure that everything is copacetic and everything is good. Another thing that comes in the box, batteries by Browder. The battery for the camera that you're gonna need. It can just, by the way, this whole thing, just so y'all know, came as a bundle. You could go to Best Buy if you choose to and do what you do. Get it how you get it. But I'm telling you how I got it. But I know that they not cheap. I know that for sure. You also gonna need this. It's a microphone, which also comes in a bundle. And just so y'all know, I'm gonna leave the whole thing for Amazon in the description below. Basically, this is the microphone. You attach this to your camera. So if you really serious about this YouTube thing and you want to walk around with your camera and the microphone on it, this is one way to do it. Your camera got a nice built-in microphone in it, but you're going to need a little enhancement. Bow. CR2s. Anybody know about the CR2s? Lithium batteries, man. Lithium batteries are perfect. You need lithium batteries. Lithium batteries are the batteries that last longer than regular batteries. The EOS 50. By who? Canon, baby. You could look all over YouTube and you definitely gonna see a bunch of different reviewers, a bunch of different reviews where people are using this same exact camera. Pull this out. This right here is the battery charger. I know a lot of y'all out there and enthusiasts, y'all know really how these battery chargers work. And the best thing about it is, look, you just plug this thing in the wall and you could keep going. Another battery. I got 3 batteries, people. 3 batteries. So you see the seal. You see the seal still got the yellow tape on it, so it's never been opened. This is a package from Amazon. And like I said, I'm going to leave the description below. I'm put all this stuff to the side because you don't even need to see that no more. This right here is basically the grand finale. Not only did I get that in the package, but what else I got? What's that, people? A 60-inch tripod. This is perfect for both videos and still cameras. Like, come on, man. And it comes with a carrying case. This package is tremendous. You see this? This is a bag. You know, you put the tripod in here. They're not going to leave you empty-handed. You put your camera or whatever in here. Look at this, man. Come on, man. Just put the camera on top. You hold like this, and you film. You vlog all day. This is a pen. This is to help you clean your lens. If you also clean the lens. Come on, man. Nothing but goodies in the bag. A cleaner, man. Even a card reader. You see that? Now, we in the century where you should know what this is. It's a card reader. You take all your still images and your videos and you put it up there. A carrying case for the SD cards. Y'all, this SD card. Bow. Pop that out. Put it in there. You ready to roll. This gear really hooked me up. I gotta get the rest of these items. So, and like I said, you know, all of this stuff was purchased on Amazon. Anybody know you definitely gonna need the backup storage. Once you start doing all these vlogs, videos, and everything, you're gonna need the storage for your computer. Your computer's a workhorse now. You're gonna be working this computer every day. You're gonna need the storage. So what better way to do it than getting a Seagate 5 terabyte backup hard drive? You plug this up to your MacBook or your regular PC or whatever the case may be. You have free space now, so now you could just vlog and do everything all day now. I know it's gonna sound crazy, but the bundle that I bought didn't come with what? A lens. So I'm gonna leave another description below for you to get the lens. Wow, no games being played here. And I'm gonna leave the description for this below too. We family now. I eat, the family eats. That's how I get down. But now the big daddy. This is what we all came here to see, man. We all came here to see that. Put that bubble wrap to the side. Look at that. You ever seen something look so beautiful? When I do, you know what I'm saying? It's quiet. You see that? It's quiet. With the stabilizing ball, so that way the shakes and breaks ain't happening. It's not happening. Them shakes and breaks that you was getting, how crazy is that? I'm showing footage with the camera because that's what we all came here to see. We all came here to see the footage with the camera. Nobody cares about you just showing the camera. Let's show some footage with the camera. And just like that, your boy is back. Like I said, man, I told y'all out there it was going to be epic. It was epic. Y'all came out here to see it. I came out here to deliver it. And we got the job done. That's all it's about. Staying positive, staying great. You know what I mean? And with that being said, real people, real channel, real facts. That's all it's about, man. Real born, man. Stay tuned to the next video. And I'm telling you right now, I'm hoping that the next video is crazier. Because at the end of the day, me doing this is not just for me, people. It's for y'all. I'm doing this for y'all also because I want y'all to see what it's like out here. I need you to see the grind. I need you to know how much time it took. I need you to know all the struggles. Y'all following me slowly but surely. And I'm telling you, keep following me on this journey. Because it's going to be a real journey. It's going to be a real journey. It's not no fakeness going on over here. This is the realest thing you can ever see. And all I'm saying is, with that being said, real born, I'll holler at y'all next video.
So let me tell you something, visualizing your goal and going after it makes it fun. You got to have a purpose no matter what you do in life. You got to have a purpose.